liberty and freedom. With strong determination, we are together to commemorate and honor 72nd Republic Day. This year the celebration is different because of the pandemic. But though we are not able to come together physically and celebrate as one, our enthusiasm and spirits remains unchanged. The Republic Day falls on January 26 every year, and the day is celebrated to mark India's adoption of the Constitution on January 26, 1950, after gaining independence from British rule in 1947. Also known as Ganatantra Divas, this day is very special for every Indian citizen. It is often celebrated with colorfully organized cultural events held across the country. Streets hum with patriotic song and a brotherly spirit is found in every heart as they share in the celebration with sweets and music. At the dawn of history, India started on her unending quest, and countless centuries are filled with her striving and grandeur of her success and her failures. Through good and ill fortune, alike she has never lost sight. Our great Indian freedom fighters have struggled a lot to get our freedom back. They have struggled so that their future generations may live without fear. यूं ही नहीं इस देश में ख्वाहिशों के चमन खिले हैं. नजर उठाकर देख ए विश्व, यहाँ हाथ से हाथ नहीं, रिश्ते से रिश्ते और दिल से दिल जुड़े हैं. Many great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Chandrasekhar Azad, Subhash Chandra Bose, etc. fought against British to make India a free country. No one can ever forget their sacrifices for the country. On this great occasion, we always remember them and salute them. We got this freedom because of them. Now we can think freely from our minds and live freely in our nation without anyone's force. Freedom in mind, faith in our heart, memories in our souls. Let's salute the nation on Republic Day. India is a country of diversity, bonded by love and affection. On this auspicious occasion of Republic Day, let's come together and celebrate this day with respect and love for each other. Happy Republic Day.
Thank you, Ishanvi. Good morning, everyone. I, Arzavi Arsari, welcome you all. I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. Let's start today's celebration by unfurling the national flag. I request our Principal Ma'am, Ms. Sarbani Bose, to unfurl the national flag.
भारत माता की जय. भारत माता की जय. भारत माता की जय.
I kindly request all to raise for the preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and integrity of the nation. In our Constitution Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Let's start today's program, and what better way than to hear a beautiful rendition of a song by the talented teachers of our school to cherish our motherland and feel proud about it. Thank you, teachers. It is a time to cheer, to shine, to inspire, and to be inspired. Our principal ma'am, Miss Sarbani Bose, will enlighten us with her inspiring and motivational words on this wonderful occasion.
At the very outset, I wish each one of you a very happy Republic Day. Today, our nation celebrates the 72nd Republic Day. Let us pledge to take part in nation building in our own unique ways. I need not speak much about this special day. However, we need to be grateful to the founding fathers who formulated and drafted our exemplary Constitution of India that has steered India towards progress and development. This year's Republic Day celebration stands apart in many ways from the glorious previous years. Nonetheless, it stands victorious over the trying times our nation has faced in the past year. And definitely, it stands tall in the annals of time as it showcases India's progress in the field of medicine and research. It stands to showcase and reflect that all our countrymen have stood united to realize the vision of our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji, of Make in India campaign towards creation of Atmanirbhar Bharat. In Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan, it is highly inevitable for all of us to uphold our rich traditions, cherish our rich culture, and hold on to its ethics and values. By the use of creative and transformative educational experiences, we at Bhavans hope that we are able to ignite in our students a spark of entrepreneurship. Dear students, you have enough talents, discipline, and determination to achieve goals. You set for yourselves with courage, strength, perseverance, and tenacity. You can strive to reach the stars. All the birds find shelter during the rain, but it's the eagle who avoids the rain by flying above the clouds. Be innovative, evolve your thinking and attitude to distinguish yourself from the crowd by gaining success unrivaled by anyone else. We all as Indians and as part of this biggest democracy should solemnly pledge today to do our best in our small ways to uplift those in need. Let us together join hands and in solidarity work towards the fulfillment of a cherished dream, a cleaner, a responsible and a prosperous India. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for motivating us with your words of wisdom and experience. Hope we would imbibe all these things in our life to make India a better India. School newsletters serves as a valuable communication tool. It serves as a forum for the expression of the literary and artistic skills of the students, highlighting the forays made by the school in various competitions that the students participate in, school celebrations, the awards won by the students, the work done by the various clubs are to name a few. Bhavans Bhagwan Das Purohit Vidya Mandir, Koradi commenced on 14th July 2016. It had truthfully completed a span of 4 years and marched ahead in its 5th year. The various scholastics and co-scholastic achievements, celebrations and activities for the session 2019 and 2020 are reflected in the school newsletters named Reflections. Our principal ma'am released our 4th edition of newsletters. Thank you very much, ma'am. Let us move ahead and see what wonderful performances my friends have prepared to show their love for the motherland. Music always creates an environment full of positivity. The young musicians of our school will showcase their talent. Musical performances will be by Krutanu Dahake, 6th A, Pavni Naidu, 7th A. वतन वतन मेरी आबाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन वतन मेरी आबाद रहे तू, मैं वतन वतन मेरी आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन। तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से, ओ छू मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू, ओ छू मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन। Instrumental performances will be by Kritika Nagrare, 5th E, Apurva Mankar, 5th B. Thank you, my dear friends. This Republic Day program will be incompleted if there are no dance performances to pay a tribute to our great motherland. Purvi Patne of 1st A, Soumya Thakre of 6th B, Shriya Gawande of 6th B, Siddhi Talole 7th A, Stuti Bhushan 8th A, Anshu Sharma 8th A, Sumitra Thoke 5th B will be representing the beautifully choreographed dance performances before you.
मेरी ज़मीं अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए सा दर्द सहे, महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे ना रहे।
ये तेरी ज़मीं तेरे
मेरा रंग दे मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला माए रंग दे मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला माए रंग दे मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला रंग दे बसंती चोला माए रंग दे माँ तुझे सलाम अम्मा तुझे सलाम वंदे सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा हम बुलबुले हैं इसकी ये गुलसिता हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा
Indeed, we are honored to be living in such a great nation. How can the little champs of a school be left behind? Master Shaurya Kulkarni of class KG2 will deliver a speech on Republic Day.
Morning, everyone. I am Shaurya Mahesh Kulkarni from KG2E. Wants to express my view about the great personality. I like the great personality most is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. His full name was Abul Pakir Jainuddin Abdul Kalam. He was born in Rameshwaram. He was a famous Indian aerospace scientist and politician. He was known as Missile Man. He got many awards like Bharat Ratna, Padma Bhushan, etc. He was a great teacher, writer, poet and a person. His book Wings of Fire is very famous. He was the 11th President of India from 2002 to 2007. He started What Can I Give mission. He loved children. He died in Shillong. I love and like and respect Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam very much. Thank you everyone for listening to me. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Shaurya. Next in line is Miss Arya Humne, who will express her views on Republic Day.
Hello everyone, my name is Arya Humne. I study in KG1C. Today I am going to speak about Lal Bahadur Shastri. He was born on 2nd October 1904. He was second Prime Minister of India. He was inspired by Mahatma Gandhi and Swami Vivekananda. He gave slogan Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. He led India during India-Pakistan War of 1965. He promoted green revolution and white revolution in India. He was truly a great leader, which became very popular in India. He died on 11 January 1966. He was awarded as Bharat Ratna. Thank you everyone.
Thank you, Arya. Now I call upon Miss Lavanya Joshi to propose a formal vote of thanks.
I, Ms. Ravana Joshi, on behalf of Bhavans BP Vidya Mandir Koradi Nagpur and the entire fraternity of the school, first of all extend my most sincere thanks to the Almighty God for making today's Republic Day a resounding success in this pandemic period. With His blessings and grace, we are able to make this event what it was.
Glory to Tiranga, glory to nation. World's largest democracy salutes the nation. Let the flag soar high, keep our spirit boosted. Long live Tiranga, till the sky is above. Long live Tiranga, long live Tiranga. I feel very proud to be born in India and as an Indian. It is our duty that we should celebrate such a glorious day. Our first thanks goes to our dear and respected Principal Ma'am, Miss Sarbani Bose, who is a source of inspiration and guidance to do our best and stand as a pillar of power. We have been fortunate enough to be supported by a team of motivated and dedicated teachers who know their jobs and are results oriented. With deep sense of appreciation, we thank all our loving teachers for their untiring efforts. Special thanks to the organizing team, volunteers, students and support staff. This event could not have been successful without them. Our sincere gratitude goes to all parents and well-wishers for your support and encouragement. Without your support, children would not been able to achieve excellence. Thank you very much. Last but not least, a big thank you to each one of you who made this Republic Day celebration for all of us. On behalf of my school, let me thank all students. Our school students are not only good at academics but also in extracurricular activities. We value you and every moment that you stay in this temple of learning. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.